Hello, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Nair. Today, I'm going to teach you about how good readers can choose a just right book. The first step is obvious. You choose a book that looks interesting to you. Next, you should think, why do I want to read this book? That's called purpose. Then, I'm going to wonder, does it interest me? Am I understanding what I read? Can I comprehend it? And do I know most of the words? These steps together are called the I-PIC strategy for choosing a just right book. Now, when I'm thinking about whether or not I know most of the words in my book, I need to use the next strategy, which is called fist to 5. First, I'm going to read the first 2 pages of the book, and I'm going to keep my hand in a fist. As I'm reading, I'm going to put one finger up for every word that I read that I'm not sure about or that I don't know. After reading 2 pages, if I have my hand still in a fist or I've got one finger up, so that means there are 0 or 1 words that were hard for me, that book is too easy. I can still read that book, but it's a warm-up, not the one I want to spend most of my independent time with. If I've read a couple of pages of the book and I have 4 or 5 fingers up, that means that book has too many hard words right now. I maybe want to try that one again later. After I've read a couple of pages, if I have 2 or 3 fingers up, that means that book is just right for me.